Assalamualaikum viewers. I hope you all are doing fine. Today I'm gonna tell you about how to keep yourself hydrated in summer season. As we know, during these hot days of summer, staying hydrated becomes more important. Extreme heat can lead to dangerous health problems, especially for infants, children, and elderly. Some steps you should follow to keep yourself hydrated. Very first step is consuming right fluids. It is very necessary for all of us to drink plenty of water. As we all know, water is very important for human body. No life can exist without water. So you should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water each day. You should also drink coconut water, as coconut water not only quenches our thirst but also help in keeping our body hydrated. Moreover, coconut water have antioxidant properties that protect yourselves from damage caused by free radicals. In order to keep hydrating yourself, you should drink lemon water. Lemon water has many potential health benefits. Adding lemon to your water may help you drink more throughout the day and keep you hydrated. One more important thing, lemon is a good source of vitamin C. You should drink milk to keep yourself hydrated in hot weather, as milk is 90% water and contain electrolytes to support hydration. I am giving you a very important tip that you should drink imli and aloo bukhara sharbat, also called as tamarind plum. It has a large number of health benefits. It helps in quench your thirst in the summer season. This drink is best to beat sunstrokes and dehydration. I am telling you the recipe of how to make this drink. In order to make this drink, the ingredients are half cup imli, half cup dry plums, 1 inch piece of ginger, half cup sugar, half teaspoon of black salt. The recipe is soak imli and also aloo bukhara in warm water about 3 hours. After this, you rub with hands to separate. Next, you add sugar, ginger, black pepper and mixture of imli and also aloo bukhara in a grinder and grind it well. Add 3 glasses of water in it and also add ice in it. Your recipe is ready. You can enjoy it. It keeps you hydrated throughout the day. Sugarcane juice can also keep you hydrated in hot weather. In summer months, a glass of cold sugarcane juice really helps you in boosting your energy level. You can also eat fruits and veggies in order to keep yourself hydrated, as fruit and veggies are filled with water and eating plenty of them helps you stay effectively hydrated. Example, an apple contains 84% water. A watermelon contains 92% water. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you, my friend, don't miss any future tips, tricks or tutorials. Thanks for watching us. Thanks for supporting us. Allah Hafiz.